Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered why suddenly hiccups start happening? Hiccups happen when a muscle called the diaphragm suddenly tightens or get irritated. The diaphragm helps us breathe. When it moves normally, we breathe smoothly. But sometimes, when we eat too fast, drink cold drinks, laugh suddenly, or feel stress, the diaphragm gets confused. This causes it to contract suddenly and at the same time the voice box closes. That is why we hear the sound hic. Hiccups are usually harmless and go away on their own. So next time you hiccup, just relax. It's your diaphragm playing tricks. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.